Yeah, g'day guys. Today we're going to assemble a carport. It comes in a kit form, so we're going to put it up down at the cabin. Here we go. So this is the carport kit. It's in the carport. So the carport kit is in the carport for the cabin to... Oh, it's hurting. Anyway, there's a bunch of boxes that come in a kit, and I'll leave the link down below for this kit that you can buy. It's quite a big unit, 6x6. So we'll get the carport out of the carport and take it down to where the carport's got to go. Let's go. So this is the kit, well this is the basics, 4 large long boxes. There's 2 more in the kit, they're up the top there, that's all the sheet metal for the roof parts. So set up the camera on the tripod and we'll start opening these boxes and see what they are. They're all labelled on, you know, what doesn't say what bits are in them, it just says the freight packages. So hopefully there's some instructions in amongst it. So we'll rip it open and see what happens. Here we go. Wow, lots of shiny bits. Shiny bits everywhere. They even give us silicon. I can't understand it, but you know, bit of a Chinesium type silicon. And here we go. We have instructions. Owner's manual. Okay. Yeah, I'll have a bit of a read of that. But we got boxes of screws and bolts. And anchors. Anchors. Ooh. Do they think it's going into concrete? Must be. Anyone here any good at Tetris? Anyway, let's read the instructions and see what goes on. Here we go. So the piers are done, and all I got to do is now fill them with concrete. So the weight, so they're just tampered in with a crowbar and all the dirt. They're all hollow tubes, which will never ever rust out in my lifetime. And they're all welded on underneath. A little tack weld to keep all the bits together. So just got to fill them up with a bit of concrete and like a new one. So in perfect line. Anyway, let's get into this, doing this iron. Here we go. So here we go, we're different day, different offsider. Actually I'm his offsider and he's got me ladder. So we're about to hit this roof and get straight into it. Here we go. carport roof all done. A couple of dents, I'll push them out from the underside. Not exactly how I'd like it, but it's on there. And it'll stop the cars from getting storm damage. Yeah guys, so that job's all done. The carport's all up in place. Yeah, so Mother has a golf buggy down underneath the carport now, which I built for her a little while ago. If you want to see the build video on that one, just click the link down below. There'll be a link down below. But anyway, there's a few answers to the questions that you may have about this carport. The total cost of the carport was just over $2,000. That's including delivery to depot in Brisbane here in Queensland. So there is quite a few manufacturers for these type of carport kits around. If you want to check them out, I'll put the link below for this kit. It's not real hard to assemble if it's on a flat, either a concrete slab or a grassed area or something of that nature. A little bit trickier here because not only do we have to fit it in a certain spot, as you saw with the earthworks, we had to make it fit, and I wanted to try and put the, as you can see up in the corner just there, I had to make the water, or part of the water, go across to the roof of the cabin itself. Questions you may have is all the joints have been all screwed together with self-drill screws, so they're all held together. It's held square by all the iron on the roof, so it's not going anywhere, and it's anchored down to the top of the retaining wall on that side, and on the other side is it's in those piers which are driven into the ground and concrete is put inside them, so not going to really blow away anywhere. So, and if you've got any other questions, just leave a comment below and I'll answer them for you. But if you want to do something like this, this is a 6 by 6 meters by 3.9 high. It is quite high. We don't really need it that high, but that's just the height the kit came. I could have shortened it down a bit, but then we would have had trouble with the water runoff onto the roof of the cabin. So. But there would have been a couple of things I'd probably do a bit different. I'd put battens across and then have the iron run the other way. At the moment it runs long ways. If I put battens on top, I'd actually have the iron go down sideways like a normal roof does. That's probably the only thing I'd change. Besides that, come with all the parts, all the things that you needed. So guys, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. It was a bit of work, a couple of days. Took about 3.5, nearly 4 days in total, including the earthworks, to get all this assembled and up. So subscribe and hit the notification bell, then you'll be able to get any new videos that come along. So guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. See ya.